This is a hint for web assignment number 17. So here's a problem, and I made these numbers up right in here. Right here, we're looking at a person who drives less than 10,000 miles. Probability of getting in an accident is 0.05. Probability of not getting an accident is 0.10. Here we have from 10,000 miles exactly up to 20,000 miles, not including 20,000. 0.10 of getting in an accident, 0.20 of not getting an accident. Then we look at 20,000 miles plus. So it's 0.30 probability of getting an accident and 0.25 of not getting an accident. Okay, so now we have two questions to look at. Before we do, I wanted you to know, if we add all these up, it will equal 1, which makes sense because we're dealing with probability. Okay, so we're going to look now at the probability a person drives less than 10,000 miles and has an accident. What's the probability a person drives less than 10,000 miles and has an accident? Well, that's right here. Less than 10,000 miles and has an accident is 0.05. Okay. Now here's the part that usually stumps people, so that's why I'm showing you this problem. We're going to look at the probability of a person who drives less than 10,000 miles again. Or has an accident. Probably a person drives 10,000 miles or has an accident. Well, or means one or the other or both. So let's look at this part first. Person drives less than 10,000 miles. So we're not concerned about having an accident or not having an accident. Under this column, we're going to include both of them. Okay. 0.05 plus 0.10. Okay. So that's first the probability a person drives less than 10,000 miles. 0.05 for having an accident and 0.10 not having an accident. Okay, or has an accident. Has an accident is these three, 1, 2, 3. We already included the 0.5, so now we're going to include the 0.10 and the 0.30. And we add that up, and that's 0.55.